Hey traders! Welcome back to Binarywarrior Trader. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful technical indicators in trading, the rate of change (ROC) indicator. This indicator is a game changer for identifying trends, spotting reversals, and maximizing your profits. So, let's dive in. Go to the indicator section and select the indicator ROC. Unlock exclusive access to our expert trading signals, handcrafted by seasoned professionals with a proven track record of success. With our VIP binary trading signals, you'll gain a competitive edge in the markets, receiving accurate and timely alerts to maximize your profits. Join our elite community of traders today and start receiving daily signals, tailored to your unique trading style and goals. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your trading results. Let's get started. Number 1. What is the rate of change (ROC) indicator? Simply put, the ROC measures the percentage change in price over a specified period. It's calculated by taking the difference between the current price and the price end periods ago, and then dividing that number by the price end periods ago. The ROC indicator is usually plotted as a line or a histogram, and it's often used in conjunction with other technical indicators to confirm trading signals. Number 2. How to use the ROC indicator in trading asterisk. The ROC indicator, let's talk about how to use it in trading. One of the most popular ways to use the ROC is to identify trends and trend reversals. When the ROC is above 0, it indicates that the price is rising. Conversely, when the ROC is below 0, it indicates that the price is falling. The ROC can also be used to spot potential reversals. When the ROC reaches an extreme level, it can indicate that the trend is about to reverse. Common mistakes to avoid when using the ROC indicator. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when using the ROC indicator. One of the biggest mistakes is over-relying on the indicator. It's always important to use multiple indicators and analyze the market from different perspectives. Life presents each of us with opportunities to alter our destinies. If you're looking to take control of your future, we are here to guide you in seizing those opportunities, starting with the easier, more accessible wins. On this channel, we delve into technical analysis, options trading, including binary and Forex trading psychology, and, most crucially, money management. We also explore many topics that you may not have encountered elsewhere. By subscribing to our channel, we assure you the potential for significant profits through our signals and strategies. That's it for today's video on the rate of change (ROC) indicator. We hope you learned something new and useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the session. Boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel.